Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So as you can see, this comes with 2 retainer kits. This is how it comes. Super cute. It is magnetic, as you can see. So you open it and it is like a plastic in the inside and it's pink on the outside. Both of these are the same. And it also comes with these right here. So I wear retainers because I did have my, what do you call it? I had braces. I took them off, and so now I have to wear the retainers every night. This is so that you can help take them down if you need to. This would also work really great if you have like Invisalign or something like that instead of braces. This is to clean out your retainers if you want to. And then this is if you go like a week without putting on your retainers. Sometimes it's really hard to get them back in. So you can actually bite on these and it'll help push the retainers back in. So very nice. It's actually really hard to find cute retainer holders at the store. I have the ones that came with my retainers, which aren't bad. I got like a pink one. But this is just better for like travel and stuff because it is magnetic and everything. And you can stick everything in here with your retainers so that you have everything. Sometimes when I'm wearing nails, it is kind of hard for me to get them out depending on what kind of nails I have. So this is actually really nice to have, and I didn't have this prior to this kit. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with the retainers in. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. I have my retainers in here and everything, and it works fine. You can see it's the bottom. I'm going to do the top just to show you how you would use that one thing. So you can see. Then if you have like nails, you can just grab this. It just gives you something. So that you can pull them right out. So definitely really nice, and I give this a 5 out of 5. Definitely will get a lot of use out of this. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.